Forget everything you know about protein. If you're over 60 and struggling to rebuild muscle, there's one mineral that could change everything. It's not what you think. Could you be missing the key to healing, strength, and energy? Stick with me, because in just a few minutes, I'll show you how this powerful mineral can transform your body, no matter your age. Welcome to Healthy Aging Life. I'm so happy you're here today, because we're about to dive into something you probably haven't heard before. We've all been told, eat more protein to keep your muscles strong as you age. But what if I told you that's only part of the story? What if focusing only on protein is actually missing the bigger picture? Here's the truth. As we get older, muscle loss isn't just about not eating enough protein. It's because our bodies can't rebuild muscle the way they used to. And the real reason, it's not just about nutrition. It's about how our bodies use energy and nutrients. The key to rebuilding muscle after 60 lies in a mineral you probably aren't getting enough of: magnesium. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can magnesium help me build muscle? Well, stick around, and I'll explain. Magnesium helps with muscle recovery, reduces inflammation, and supports your energy, all of which are crucial as we age. And I'll share some simple ways to add magnesium to your routine so you can start rebuilding muscle right away. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Have you had trouble recovering after a workout, or noticed your muscles weakening as you've gotten older? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to learn how magnesium can make all the difference, give this video a like, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest tips for healthy aging. Let's get started and discover how magnesium can be the missing piece to rebuilding your strength. As we age, our bodies undergo significant changes, especially when it comes to hormone production. Two of the most important hormones for building muscle, testosterone and growth hormone, start to decline after the age of 60. This decrease in hormones can make it harder for our bodies to build and maintain muscle mass. But that's not all. Another critical factor is how well our cells can use energy. Our cells have tiny powerhouses called mitochondria, which are responsible for producing the energy our muscles need to work. As we age, the mitochondria begin to slow down. This means they don't work as efficiently, and that affects our body's ability to recover and regenerate muscle tissue. Can you imagine this? It's like trying to run a car on low fuel. No matter how hard you push the accelerator, the engine simply can't perform at its best. This slowdown in mitochondrial function is one of the primary reasons why recovery takes longer as we get older. Even if you're eating enough protein, if your cells can't process and use that protein properly, your muscle-building efforts won't be as effective. So, here's the message. Our body's inability to use energy efficiently is one of the major reasons why our muscles don't recover like they used to, no matter how much protein we consume. Let's make this more relatable. Think about Arnold Schwarzenegger, one of the most iconic muscle-building figures in the world. Even though Arnold spent his younger years training relentlessly, as he got older, he faced the same challenges. His hormones dropped, his energy system slowed down, and recovery became more difficult. Just like any of us, he couldn't stay at peak muscle mass without adapting to these natural changes. So it's clear, aging doesn't just affect the muscles directly, but it also impacts the entire system that supports muscle growth and recovery. It's not about just eating more protein. If the energy system isn't working properly, it won't matter how much protein you consume. Your body simply won't be able to rebuild muscles efficiently. Now, don't worry. This doesn't mean you're doomed to a life of weakness after 60. In the next section, we're going to explore how you can tackle these issues and get your body back on track, even as you age. But before we jump into that, tell me, have you noticed any changes in your energy or recovery after workouts as you've gotten older? Drop a comment below, and let's talk about how you've been managing those changes. I'd love to hear your experiences. Most people assume that losing muscle is just about not eating enough protein. But the truth is, muscle loss isn't just a nutrition issue. It's also about the way your body communicates. As we age, our cells start receiving the message that building muscle is no longer a priority. This shift in focus can slow down the rebuilding process, even if you're eating enough protein. So it's not just about food. Several factors can influence this process. Chronic inflammation. Even low levels of inflammation can linger in your body, slowly impacting your muscles and recovery. It's like trying to heal a wound, but your body is constantly fighting off low-grade inflammation. This can delay your recovery and prevent muscle rebuilding. Ongoing stress. Stress is another huge factor. When you're stressed out, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol helps you deal with stress, but when it's too high for too long, can actually break down muscle. It's like your body goes into a fight or flight mode, and rebuilding muscle becomes less important. Poor sleep. Lastly, sleep plays a huge role in muscle recovery. When you don't get enough sleep, your muscles don't have the chance to rebuild properly. Your body needs that downtime to repair and regenerate, and without enough sleep, you're missing out on that critical recovery window. So here's something to think about. When you're in your 50s or older, it's easy to start thinking that weakness or tiredness is just a part of aging. But the truth is, that's not the case. Your body can still recover. It just needs the right signals and minerals to do so. Real-life example. Think about Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Even though he's a well-known figure for his strength, he doesn't rely solely on lifting weights. He understands that recovery, sleep, and stress management are just as important as the training itself. So, it's a great reminder that even the strongest people pay attention to their body's signals. Now that we know muscle loss isn't just about protein, let's move on to a more specific solution that can help your muscles rebuild. I'll show you how magnesium plays a crucial role in this process next. Magnesium plays an incredibly important role in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, especially in muscle contraction and energy production, ATP. Without magnesium, your body can't produce ATP properly, and without ATP, your muscles can't recover as quickly. That's why magnesium is often considered a key player in the muscle recovery process. Think of ATP like fuel for your muscles. Without it, your muscles simply can't perform at their best. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that Tom Brady, one of the best quarterbacks in NFL history, swears by magnesium for keeping his muscles in top shape as he ages? Despite all the rigorous training and stress his body goes through, Brady relies on magnesium to help his muscles recover faster and stay strong throughout the season. So, magnesium isn't just for bodybuilders. It's for everyone who wants to keep their muscles in tip-top condition, especially as we get older. Magnesium is also a natural anti-inflammatory. As we age, chronic low-level inflammation becomes a common issue. Magnesium helps regulate this inflammation, which in turn speeds up recovery after exercise. If you've ever felt sore or had a hard time bouncing back after a workout, magnesium might be just what your body needs. But that's not all. Magnesium also plays a crucial role in your nervous system. It has calming effects on your nerves, helping reduce stress and anxiety. This is extremely important because stress can interfere with muscle recovery, preventing your body from properly healing. Magnesium can help you relax, improve your sleep, and allow your body to fully recover while you rest. So, next time you're looking for ways to speed up muscle recovery, consider adding magnesium to your routine. Trust me, your muscles will thank you for it. But before we move on, I want to know, have you ever experienced slower recovery after working out? Could magnesium be the missing piece to help you bounce back faster? Drop a comment below, and let's chat about how magnesium has worked for you. Magnesium deficiency is a common issue, especially as we age, and the reasons behind it are worth understanding. First of all, the food we eat plays a huge role. Processed foods and modern farming methods have dramatically reduced the magnesium content in our food. Even if you eat a balanced diet, you may still be missing out on this essential mineral. Why? Because the way our food is grown today often strips away the magnesium before it even reaches our plate. Another big factor contributing to magnesium deficiency is stress. As we get older, stress can become a constant companion. Whether it's from work, family, or health issues, chronic stress depletes magnesium levels in the body. Not only that, but certain medications like diuretics, water pills, can also cause magnesium to be flushed out of the body. But how do you know if you're not getting enough magnesium? Here are some common signs. Fatigue. If you're feeling more tired than usual, even after a full night's sleep, magnesium deficiency could be the culprit. Muscle cramps. Magnesium is essential for proper muscle function. A lack of it can lead to frequent leg cramps or spasms, especially at night. Sleep problems. Magnesium helps relax your muscles and nerves, making it easier to fall asleep. If you're tossing and turning at night, magnesium might be the missing link. Irritability. If you've been feeling moody or short-tempered, magnesium can help balance your mood, as it plays a role in regulating stress hormones. Now, let's talk about a famous example. You might have heard of Oprah Winfrey, a woman who has always been open about her health struggles. She shared how magnesium played a huge role in her daily routine, especially to help with sleep and stress. Oprah, just like many of us, deals with the stress of a busy life, and she noticed significant improvements once she started supplementing magnesium. So, do any of these signs sound familiar to you? If you're experiencing fatigue, muscle cramps, or trouble sleeping, magnesium might be the missing piece to your puzzle. But don't worry, there are simple ways to fix this. Now, before we dive into how to boost your magnesium intake, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever experienced any of these symptoms? How did you manage your magnesium levels? Drop a comment below, and let's share some tips. Magnesium comes in various forms, and each one has its own unique benefits for your body. Let's break down the most effective types and how you can use them for maximum results. Magnesium glycinate. This form of magnesium is highly bioavailable, which means it's easily absorbed by the body. It's also gentle on your stomach, making it a great choice for people with sensitive digestive systems. Magnesium glycinate is perfect for supporting muscle recovery and improving sleep quality. If you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep, this form of magnesium could be your best friend. Magnesium citrate. Magnesium citrate is another popular form, especially useful for easing muscle cramps and improving digestion. If you often experience leg cramps or bloating, magnesium citrate might help relieve those discomforts. It's a great option if you need both muscle relief and better digestive health. Magnesium malate. Magnesium malate is known for its ability to boost energy levels and reduce fatigue. If you feel tired and sluggish throughout the day, magnesium malate can help your body regain that much-needed energy. It's also helpful for people dealing with chronic fatigue or fibromyalgia. This form supports both muscle function and overall vitality. How to take magnesium effectively. To get the most out of magnesium, the timing and method of supplementation are important. It's best to take magnesium in the evening, as it helps improve sleep quality and supports the muscle recovery process while you rest. For those who exercise regularly, taking magnesium immediately after a workout can be especially beneficial. This helps your muscles recover more quickly and reduces soreness. Here's an interesting fact. LeBron James, one of the most successful basketball players in the world, has spoken about the importance of magnesium in his recovery routine. LeBron uses magnesium to help his body relax and recover after intense games. So, if it's good enough for a top athlete, it might just be the boost your body needs. Now, have you tried any of these magnesium forms before? Which one worked best for you? Drop a comment and share your experience. Magnesium is a crucial mineral for your body, but it works best when paired with other nutrients. Let's take a closer look at how magnesium and vitamin D work together to boost your health. Magnesium and vitamin D. Did you know that magnesium and vitamin D are like a dynamic duo for your body? If you don't have enough vitamin D, your body will have trouble absorbing magnesium, and the reverse is true, too. Magnesium helps convert vitamin D into its active form, which is essential for bone health, immune function, and muscle strength. Without the right balance of both, your body may struggle to function at its best. Here's an interesting example. LeBron James and other elite athletes understand the importance of vitamin D for performance. But they also know magnesium is key to helping their body absorb and use vitamin D efficiently. That's why many professional athletes supplement both magnesium and vitamin D to stay strong and maintain peak performance. So, if you're not getting enough of both, it might be time to adjust your routine. Magnesium and exercise. Magnesium is great, but it can't build muscle on its own. For your muscles to grow and recover properly, you need to pair magnesium with a solid exercise routine. When you exercise, your muscles need energy, and magnesium helps your body use that energy effectively. Plus, it supports muscle relaxation and recovery, which are critical after a workout. So, magnesium is a great supplement, but it works best when combined with physical activity. Now, let me ask you, have you ever felt like your body wasn't responding to your workout efforts as well as it used to? Could it be because your magnesium or vitamin D levels are off? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's discuss how you've balanced these nutrients in your routine. Let's take a look at Tom Brady, one of the most successful and well-known athletes in the world. Despite being in his 40s, Tom Brady continues to perform at the highest level in the NFL. How does he do it? It's not just about training harder or eating more protein. Tom has been very open about the importance of his recovery routine, which includes supplementing with magnesium. Brady emphasizes that recovery after each workout is just as crucial as the workout itself. He doesn't rely solely on protein. He understands that proper nutrition and the right minerals, like magnesium, are essential for keeping his muscles strong and his body in top shape. This holistic approach to fitness has helped Tom maintain his incredible performance, even as he ages. So what can we learn from Tom Brady's approach? First, muscle loss after the age of 60 is not inevitable. Your body can absolutely recover and rebuild, but only if you provide it with the right conditions. Magnesium plays a critical role in this recovery process. It's not just about adding more protein to your diet. You need to consider all aspects of your health: exercise, proper sleep, and most importantly, giving your body the minerals it needs, like magnesium, to support muscle repair. So, if you're feeling like your body isn't responding the way it used to, don't give up. Just like Tom Brady, you can improve your performance and strength. It's all about taking a holistic approach and being consistent with your health routine. What do you think? Have you noticed how your body responds after adding minerals like magnesium to your routine? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. Your body is not a broken machine. It just needs the right conditions to heal and become strong again. Magnesium may not be a magic pill, but it is the key to helping your body truly recover and rebuild muscle after the age of 60. The good news is, you can start your health journey today. Give your body the nutrients it needs, and watch how it responds. If you're ready to feel stronger and more energized, don't wait any longer. Magnesium can be the missing piece to help you stay active and healthy as you age. So, take that first step now, and start taking care of your body in the best way possible. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on our next videos. Also, if you've ever tried magnesium or have any questions, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll be back with more tips on maintaining your health and fitness as you age. Stay tuned for more. Take care, and see you next time.